We are growing. We are growing in volume and sales, and we are growing in regions and areas all around the globe. China is the #1 flagship plant. It's the lead plant for both product families. Moving the plant into a future-oriented, bigger size location opened us the future, the sustainable future. It's a state-of-the-art factory with double the size, double the square meters available than we had before, and put us on the safe side for any growth potential in the upcoming years. Most of our big size competitors are still today not having own production. So this make and buy instead of make or buy keeps us flexible, keeps us more than competitive. Quality control processes are not any different from elsewhere in the world. We have a centralized set of quality tools, which is pretty much oriented on automotive tool world, which is documented, which is described in multiple languages, which applies to our logistics departments, to our quality departments, to all of our production plants in Turkey, in China, and in the upcoming plant in Vietnam as well. And wherever on this globe we build a future production facility, those rules will always apply to the same standard. We will never level down the quality standard to the need of a separate country somewhere in the world. We will always have the best available standard for the whole Schletter Group worldwide. What especially drove us to join and choose this location was we do have a big amount of green areas inside the facility. So we have trees, green areas, we are growing flowers, but that's just only one aspect. The other aspect is that with 25,000 square meters covered surface, we have got more than enough roof space to implement all our own solar systems on the roof, energy to consume in the own production. On top of that, the whole parking spaces outside of the building are covered with carport structures, which are covered with solar modules, producing electricity to charge the electrical company cars and the electrical private cars of the employees parked there. It's not a factory, it's not an administration building, it's not a technology building, it's a kind of a campus. And when you see that campus with the solar panels on the roof, with the solar carport in front, with the green zone inside, you immediately see from the outside, this is something special here. It looks completely differently than all the other producing companies down the street. You can almost feel it if you enter. If you walk the gate and you come inside, that's a different world, and people here are living their idea to doing something differently than the others around. I would strongly recommend and invite any supplier and any customer who has got the chance to come to Shanghai to visit us and to have a look on that campus.